Hello guys, how are you doing today? I'm here with another video for you guys, and I recently got a message from one of the viewers of my YouTube channel, and he asked me that how do you manage to remove the glare from your eyeglasses in the video, and because he hasn't seen any kind of disturbance or any kind of distortion in my video. So this is my idea. It's a secret idea and I haven't shared it with anybody else, but here it comes. And so you can see my glasses. First of all, there isn't any glass in it. I've removed the glass from it because I was having this as a spare frame, and I use another eyeglasses outside, and these are just for the YouTube channel because I don't like that reflection. It's a weird reflection which comes due to lights in our room, in the area in which we make our videos. So it becomes extremely difficult for us to remove that glare by using any software or by using any application. And I think some of us don't even have enough money to arrange lights in a manner that it doesn't affect or it doesn't create any reflection. So this is the easiest way which I have shared with you, and I hope you guys are also going to use it. So do leave a comment at the bottom of this video that whether you like this idea or not, and whether you are using it or not. So because there are so many people, there are so many YouTubers which are having eyeglasses, and they're having this problem with them, and they're unable to make a video without this glare issue. So I think it would be very beneficial for them. And so don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and as usual you need to press the black bell icon if you want to receive more of such videos. So take care guys, bye bye.